Today I'm gonna discuss about how to swap two numbers using the C programming language. C++ programming language. But if you can understand the concept, then you can implement the same procedure in other programming language as well. So let's say, first of all, I'm gonna two values from the user. Alright, let's say I'm gonna take two values from user, and let's say the first variable is A and the second variable is B. And if the user enters 39 and 29 respectively one by one, then I can consider that the value of A is gonna be 39 and the value of B is going to be 29. And if I simply want to swap the values in the variable, then what I need to do, I can initialize a third variable, let's say temporary variable, and first of all I can keep the value of A to here, then I can keep the value of B to A, then as the variable temp holds the value of A 39, then I can pass this value to B. In that way I can swap these two numbers. Don't worry, when I'm gonna start writing the code, you'd get a better understanding, I hope. So let's say, first of all, this is my header file, and in my main function, first of all, I'm gonna declare two variables, integer A and B, and then I'm gonna ask the user to provide the value. Enter the value for A. Alright, and then I'm gonna take the value and store that value, or you can say assign that value to A. Alright, and then I'm gonna ask the user to provide the second value. Enter the value for B, like this. Before that, I can use a new line also. Alright, and then I'm gonna take the value from the user. Now I have both the values in two variables, integer A and B, and now I'm gonna initiate the third variable. Let's say I'm going to declare that variable here 10. So let me commenting out here swapping process. So what I would do, simply I would keep the value of A to temp, I would assign the value of B to A, and I would provide the value of temp to B, like this. Alright, so how would it work? Let me show you first. Let's say the value of A is 55 and the value of B is 29. Alright, and then what I'm gonna doing here, in number 12, I'm telling it that the value of temp would become A, that becomes 55, then A equal B. Alright, B holds 29, then A would become 29. The value of A is already getting shifted. Alright, then I'm telling it that the value of B would be the value of temp, and the value of temp was 55, right? So what is actually happening here, the earlier value was A equal 55 and B equal 29, but the new value would become like this, A equal 29 and B equals 55, like this. So let me show you how that's working here. Alright, so after that I'm gonna provide the value like this. After swapping, A equals to A and B equals to B, and That's it. Let me simply execute this code. So first of all, enter the value for A. Let's say 55. Enter the value for B, 36. And you see, after swapping, the value of A becomes 36 and value of B becomes 55. If you can understand the swapping concept, then you can apply the same procedure in any other programming language you want, whether that can be C, C++, JavaScript, Python, or any other programming language. You have to just understand the concept. Alright, and if you are new to this channel, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and please also make sure to join to our community. We have 2 communities, Discord and Facebook group. Make sure to join them as well. So this is for today. Thank you everyone.